this is one Shopkin that I got. And you need to remember to get all the plastic and cardboard off. And here's one, and here's the slip and the basket. And the other one. Now I will open this one first. Okay, and here it is. And let me see what the name is. And a little closer, and that's good. See, and this should be under here. I'm looking for it. And the name is Wendy Washer, and it is a rare. And now for the second one. And it is a little shoe. And the name is Promi. And then here's the tip.